So children, now let us begin with the exercise. Explain the difference between a plane mirror, concave mirror and a convex mirror with respect to the type and size of image. As you know, plane mirror, if you keep the object at all the position, the image is at same distance from the mirror as the object, but the image formed is behind the mirror. In case of convex mirror, you keep the object at all positions. The rays coming from the object, they get reflected and they never meet each other. But if they are extended behind the mirror, they meet at a point, forming a virtual and erect image. In case of concave mirror, there are 6 positions of the object, as we have already seen in the experiment, and based on that the position of image and nature of image is decided. So this we have already done practically. Describe the position of the source of light with respect to a concave mirror in torch light. In torches, the source of light is kept at the focus of the concave mirror to obtain parallel beam of light. In projector lamps, the source of light is kept at the center of curvature of concave mirror to obtain an image of the same size. And in floodlights, the source of light is kept just beyond the center of curvature of concave mirror to obtain proper light. Why are concave mirrors used in solar devices? Concave mirror is a focusing mirror. The parallel rays of light incident on this mirror are converged at the principal focus. In this way, the concave mirrors in solar devices focus the heat and radiations coming from sun in the focal plane. Hence, to use maximum amount of heat and radiation coming from the sun, concave mirrors are used in solar devices. Why are the mirrors fitted on the outside of the cars convex? In convex mirrors, as we have already discussed, the image of object is erect and smaller. So, it remains erect but becomes smaller and smaller when the mirror is taken away from the object. As a result, we can see the images of the surroundings in the mirror. By using convex mirror on the outside of the car, the driver can get an erect, diminished and clear view of the vehicles coming from the behind. The mirrors fitted on the outside of the cars are hence convex. Why does obtaining the image of sun on a paper with the help of a concave mirror burn the paper? Concave mirror, as you know, is a focusing mirror. The parallel rays of light incident on this mirror are converged at the principal focus. When this mirror is arranged such that it forms a point image of the sun on a paper, the mirror collects all sun rays onto that point on paper. The convergence of heat from the sun at a single point on the paper burns the paper. If a spherical mirror breaks, what type of mirrors are the individual pieces? When a spherical mirror breaks, each piece behaves as the same spherical mirror but smaller in size. As spherical mirror is a part of the hollow sphere, its pieces will also have the same radius of curvature and hence the same focal length. What sign conventions are used for the reflection from a spherical mirror? So here you have to learn these rules. The object is always kept on the left of the mirror. The distances measured towards the right of the poles are always taken positive and those from the left are always negative. Vertically upward distances, they are from the principal axis, they are positive. Downwards are negative. The focal length of a concave mirror is negative while that of a convex mirror is positive. Draw a ray diagram for the cases of images obtained in concave mirror as described in the table on page number 122. So, this is the first case where object is placed at infinite large distance. Second case, object placed beyond the center of curvature. You can see the image is diminished, inverted and real. Here the object is placed at the center of curvature, so the image formed is also at the center of curvature, it is inverted and real. Object placed between focus and center of curvature. You can see here again you get enlarged and inverted image. Object placed at the focus, you see that no proper image is formed. Objects placed between pole and focus. Okay. Which type of mirrors are used in the following? Periscope uses plane mirror. Floodlights, shaving mirror, they use concave. Kaleidoscope again uses plane mirror. Street lights, headlamps of a car, they use convex and concave mirror respectively. 3 mirrors are created from a single sphere. Which of the following pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis will be common to them and which will be not common? The terms that will be common to all the three is center of curvature, radius of curvature, and the terms that will not be common to all three will be pole and principal axis. So with this we finish the exercise for the chapter reflection of light. We'll not be taking up numericals in this chapter. Okay, thank you.